Before we get started, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and questions. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save files from a dead computer. Whether your machine won't power on or the operating system refuses to load, the goal is simple: move your documents, photos, and other data to safety without risking further damage. I'll walk you through 3 practical methods, starting with the easiest and moving to options for tougher cases. First, if the hard drive itself is likely healthy, remove it and connect it to a working computer using a USB enclosure or adapter. Power the dead computer off and unplug it. For laptops, remove the battery if it's accessible. Open the access panel or case to take out the drive. Note its size and connector. Most laptops use 2.5-inch SATA, and most desktops use 3.5-inch SATA. Older systems may use IDE. Buy an enclosure or adapter that matches. For 3.5-inch desktop drives, make sure the adapter includes its own power. Insert the drive into the enclosure or plug it into the adapter, then connect it to a working computer via USB. After a moment, the old drive should appear like an external drive. Open it and copy your files to the new computer or another external drive. If you're prompted to format or initialize the disk, cancel. That action would erase data. If you can't remove the drive, or the hardware is fine but the operating system won't boot, use a bootable Linux USB. On a working computer, create a bootable USB with a user-friendly Linux distribution. Insert it into the non-working computer and boot from USB using the boot menu or BIOS settings. Once Linux loads, open its file manager and look for the internal hard drive. Connect an external drive and copy your files across. If needed, basic Linux commands can help, but avoid writing anything to the internal drive beyond copying data off. If the drive isn't readable or files seem missing, try data recovery software. First, connect the problem drive to a working computer with a USB enclosure or adapter. Install reputable recovery software, such as Disk Drill or Rakuten, on the working computer, not on the drive you're trying to rescue. Run a scan and let it finish. Deeper scans can take time. Preview recoverable items when possible, and always save recovered files to a different drive to prevent overwriting. By following these methods, you'll maximize your chances of recovering important files and keep your data safe for the next step, whether that's repair or replacement. If this tutorial helped you, give the video a thumbs up and share it with someone who might need it. Don't forget to subscribe for more productivity tips and Notion tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.